everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the simplest omelette recipe, which is going to be colorful, delicious, and just worth trying. So grab yourself some eggs and also a few ingredients which you are going to find in the description box to make this delicious omelette. You're going to get started by washing and chopping up your chives, and if you don't know how chives look like, here you go. They look like spring onions, but they're a little bit smaller. I've already chopped up some for my omelette over here, and also I've chopped up some chicken brown over here, which I'm also going to be adding in to my omelette. So in a bowl, you're going to crack in 4 eggs. I have some free range eggs and also the regular eggs, so I'm going to crack in. The free range eggs are going to add in a very lovely yellow color to my omelette. Add in salt. Whisk the eggs using a fork. This is to create air pockets into the egg. Then you're going to place a non-stick pan over medium flame. Next, I'm going to add in some chives. Whisk in. When done mixing, you're going to place into your hot pan. And using a spatula, you're going to fold in the egg as it cooks. You're also going to be adding in some texture to your omelette. Add in the chicken brown. You can add in as much as you want. Then you're going to wait for around a minute. Remember, I'm using medium-low flame, so the omelette is going to slowly cook on the bottom side. If you put too much heat, it's going to cook so fast and brown so fast that it will be almost burnt. So just use medium-low flame to cook your omelette. So wait for around a minute, and using a spatula, you're going to flip so that the other side can cook. This is looking so mouth-watering. I can't wait for the omelette to get ready. When the omelette is ready, flip. Lovely. Cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Flip once more, and look how perfect the omelette is looking. So I'm going to fold in half, just like that, and transfer to a plate. My omelette is looking very colorful because of the chives and also the chicken brown. It has browned up perfectly and it's best served while still warm. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing breakfast or brunch recipe.